Okay guys, behind the driver seat and passenger seat are the, AC ducts for the heater and ACs and stuff like that. So if something ever gets stuck in there, like a bolt from your pergola or something like that, and you hear it rolling around and you can't get it out, this is how you do it. Just go ahead and pull your seat all the way up or forward to get to the 4 T45 torque bolts. So I just lifted up my back seat to make room to knock my driver's seat back. Then you want to pull out the door molding on the side, just on the bottom. Once you do that, pop up the kickboard right here. Gonna pop your little side kick panel off over here. It's all clipped in. There's 3 pop clip locations here in the corner, down there, which I just popped out, and there's a hidden one right under here. If whatever is lodged in here is too far up the throat, you can unpress it. There's no bolts holding it down. You just have to lift it up and it's pressed in here and there. I just shook it until I got this frickin' pergola bolt out. Like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think.